Hi friends, welcome on 100 on 100 in Eco platform. Professor Gauri Khare is starting with preparation of prelim series for standard 10th Icse. This is episode 1, getting started with the first chapter factors of production, from which I will be discussing one 5-mark question which is frequently asked in the past board exams. So, one question per chapter in the following series. Do keep watching 100 on 100 in Eco for excellence in Eco, and do subscribe, like, share to my channel. Let's get started. The question that I'm going to discuss is, what are the steps involved in capital formation? You will start your answer by mentioning the short definition of capital formation. By capital formation, we mean an increase in the level of capital goods in an economy. Following are the steps involved in capital formation. I'm showing you a flow chart. You don't need to draw a flow chart. You just need to describe the steps in 3 pointers. Creation of savings, mobilization of savings, and investment of savings. Remember, capital formation can happen only if savings are there in the economy. We need to create the savings, mobilize the savings, and invest the savings. Creation of saving is dependent further upon 3 factors: ability to save, desire to save, and opportunity to save. Ability to save is dependent upon the level of income, the level of taxation in an economy, or the tax policy of the government. Second factor on which the creation of saving is dependent is desire to save. Desire to save is dependent upon how big a family you have and what are your responsibilities and commitments. And the third important factor based on which the creation of savings can take place is opportunity to save. If in a country there are not enough opportunities to invest your funds or save your funds, you will be not interested in saving, you will be most interested in spending. Therefore, we can say that opportunity to save in any economy is dependent upon the peace and security conditions in an economy and the choices available in the financial investment sector. So, opportunity to save will be dependent upon whether the choices are available or not and the peace and security condition. So, to sum up the first part, creation of savings is dependent upon 3 things: ability to save, desire to save, opportunity to save. Ability to save is dependent upon further 2 things: level of income and tax policy. Desire to save is dependent upon the personal commitments and family size, and opportunity to save is dependent upon the choices available in the financial investment market and the peace and security conditions in an economy. Having finished with the first step of capital formation, which was a rather long point, I'll move ahead with the second: mobilization of savings. Under mobilization of savings, we must mention that the savings can be mobilized with the help of banking network and the network of financial intermediaries or financial institutions. That means savings of the public can be utilized for giving loans to the businessmen, traders, and industrialists. This is called mobilization of savings. Coming to the third step in capital formation is the investment of savings, which has got another 3 steps, and that investment of saving will depend upon number of entrepreneurs, the rate of interest, and the expectation of profit. Number of entrepreneurs in an economy is dependent upon the level of education imparted. Rate of interest will decide the investment in the economy, because the higher the rate of interest, lower will be the investment, as the entrepreneur will have to pay more money for interest payment. Expectation of profit: the higher the expectation of profit, the more is the investment. The higher the rate of interest, lower is the investment. So there we sum up. Steps involved in capital formation: creation of saving dependent upon ability to save, desire to save, opportunity to save. Ability to save dependent upon level of income and tax policy. Desire to save dependent upon personal commitments. And opportunity to save dependent upon the choices available for financial investment and the peace and security conditions in an economy. Second step in capital formation: mobilization of saving is dependent upon the network of banks and other financial intermediaries and financial institutions. The third step is the investment of savings in an economy, which is done by the entrepreneurs. So the 3 points falling under investment of savings is the number of entrepreneurs in an economy, rate of interest, and the expectation of profits. Do join me for the next video, and if you would like to have more discussion with me, please do write to me an email which is given in the description box. See you in the next episode.